Hey y'all, last little overtime video for you, just a couple minutes. Did glue the vertical piece and the two smaller pieces. They're on the bottom. Went around the perimeter and just with the clamps on after we put the glue in, and put some screws in to hold it in place. Then kicked the thing onto the floor, moved everything out of the way, got it upside down. This is the outside where the tin's gonna go, right? And got as much weight on it as we could, directing the weight right to where the seams are. You can see the seam there between the big long vertical piece and the shorter pieces. This piece here went to about here, so that's why we got the wheel there. We're looking good. It's all good and flat. It's touching the concrete everywhere. We're pretty sure this bit of concrete is about as good and flat as it's going to get. I mean, we're not seeing any kind of movement here at all. So tomorrow, come over and move the toolboxes, put Richie's toolboxes and stuff back, and we'll get the inside laminate on. We'll get the tin, spray the glue and get the tin on, and we'll get the trim on. Last piece we'll do is fitting up the hole for that striker deal in the handle, and bing, bang, boom, good to go. The door will be done tomorrow. Be 31st tomorrow, so first week of August we'll be putting paint next week on the trailer, getting the paint and clear coat on it, and so it's done. It leaves us a whole month before Gingerman to get something on the F1 going with the F125. We'll probably take the 4-banger over there too. What the heck, why not? And let somebody play with that. And just look forward to Labor Day is actually my anniversary. So maybe get Sherry and the kids and stuff, and we get up there and take the little ones with us again and just make a good long weekend out of it and have some fun. It's a week earlier than it has been the last couple of years, so maybe we'll be on the good side of the weather change. Weather change always seems to come that week when it was a week later, and we get overnight cold. I mean, it went from 90 degrees during the week to 60 degrees during the day that weekend, and rain and cold and crappy. So good job by Dave Larson to move it forward a week and hopefully get us into the good weather, before things change. We'll see. That's it. We'll bring you the rest of it tomorrow. 31st, last day of July. Coming at you tomorrow. God bless. Godspeed. We love you. We're praying for you. Hang in there, guys.